What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to check your Wi-Fi speed in here from your iPhone device. This is a very important feature in here. A lot of people do not worry, but sometimes your YouTube videos, your Netflix movies, they don't actually buffer or process in a good speed because of your internet speed. Especially if you are installing a brand new internet provider at your home, such as an ISP or anything like that. You want to double check how quick is your internet so you do not face any issue throughout your job or performing your daily tasks. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool tech hacks and tutorials. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. It really helps me out. Now let's hop into our internet browser here real quick. This is the very first step. Okay, let's hop straight into google.com, and then we're gonna type here speed test. Okay, there we go, speed test. So once we type speed test, we do have different websites that offer us speed test. Now I'm going to show you the best ones with the best servers, which will give you a much accurate speed. So the very first one is the Google one, which will definitely show up here as the very first one with the blue button in here. So simply tap on it once, and this will essentially run a speed test to the download speed, and then it will run a different speed for the upload speed. My download speed is pretty good. It's very quick, but my upload speed is not that quick. It's only 17 to 20 Mbps, which stands for megabits per second. Okay, so as you can see in here, the summarized information is here. Let me just change my language, translate it to English. So my speed is very fast, and here we go. I'm able to stream online, do live videos, and a lot more stuff. Now, it's important for you to know that download speed is much more important than the upload speed. Download is basically everything you're watching, you're fetching from the social media. Let's say you open up Facebook and you watch a video or a photo, you're downloading. And most of the people upload very less in compared to download. That's why some internet providers, they only provide some basic speed to upload and a very quick one to download. Because if we compare, let's say I open up Instagram, the only request I'm gonna do is ask Instagram to feed me with new stuff. And then I'm gonna get a bunch of stuff being downloaded to my phone. That's why download speed is much more important than the upload speed. So double check this whenever you're checking your internet speed. You do have another way of checking your internet speed. For example, let me simply type here speed test one more time. We do have this one, which is by Ookla. It's very famous. Speed test by Ookla. It's a very famous website. Now tap on it once and then simply tap here on download. You can also try the app. In my case, I'm gonna go with the app. Let me tap open in App Store. I do recommend. It's a very quick app, and very good servers are being offered by Speed Test by Ookla. And the good thing about Ookla is that it tells you which server it's currently using, right? So let me tap on next, basic wizard in here. I can say allow while using the app, and then let me tap on continue here with the free version, ask app not to track, continue, and then simply tap in here on go. There we go. It's now taking place. Allow speed test. There we go. The speed is exactly the same, so both of the speed tests are accurate. Okay, it's similar to 50 to 60, and then we have my upload speed, which is much faster, to be honest, here in Ookla. In this server, it's much faster, which means that my internet is actually much faster because the server also matters. Okay, so here we go. This is my speed test. We're good to go. So this is how you can quickly run speed test here on your iPhone device to check how quick is your internet. But do not forget that you need to be connected to the internet, of course. So ensure that you are connected to the ideal Wi-Fi network or router that you wish to run the speed test on, or that your mobile data is turned on. For example, you can also run a speed test in your local mobile data or mobile carrier internet. Okay, so you can also double check that. So this was it for today, guys. I hope you find my content useful. If you find it useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any question or doubts. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.